of Skims, y'all. Skims by Kim Kardashian. What's up, y'all? I am Shaniqua, and I'm back to you with another video. Today's a little different, y'all. I went and got some Skims by Kim Kardashian, and I am so anxious to see how it'll fit. It comes in this cute little box here. I got the above the knee shorts. I got the dark brown large/extra large. Now, just upon looking at it, I don't know if this is gonna fit me, y'all, but we're gonna see. So it's supposed to lift your behind and tone and get you all together. It's supposed to have you snatched. Now, I'm at a struggle weight. I ain't gonna even lie. I'm at a struggle weight. I am a mom and I struggle with this tummy area. So I always look for really great shapewear that's gonna keep me like when I wear my little cute dresses, y'all. I'm going to try to put this on and see how it does. Pray for me. Sweat. Oh, God. I got it on, finally, and this is the finished product. What y'all think? Now, I've been wearing shapewear since I was like 13 years old, y'all. Even when I was skinnier, I always liked to wear shapewear because I feel like it just really kept me all in line. It, you know, reduced the jiggle. I always was a little thicker. So even when I was skinny, I had some thickness to me, if you know what I mean. So that's why I love to wear shapewear. I feel like it just really kept me just like snatched and squeezed in the right areas the way I wanted it to be. So I do feel like this Skims might work, y'all. It took me, like, it was a struggle to get it on. Don't mind me, please. It was a struggle to get it on, let me tell you. But overall, like, it feels really good. I'm not just saying it, like, this video is not sponsored in any way. And listen, I will tell the truth if it was raggedy, but I'm telling you right now, it feels good. Like, it got me together in the area that I wanted. You know, I got the jelly belly down here from having babies, but it got me right. It doesn't flatten my boob. It feels good. Like, I don't feel constricted. I don't feel like I can't tie my shoe. I don't feel like, you know, I can't sneeze without busting it open. It feels pretty good. I feel like I might be able to even eat something today. So I'm gonna wear it for a minute and see how it does for a couple hours. And what I think about these Skims, you got my vote, sis. You honestly did your thing on these because, like I said, I've been wearing shapewear for a long time, and this feels good. It feels good. You know, it is, it's slimming, it's toning, it's not rolling up, it's not rolling down. I don't even know what magic potion she done put in this, but literally, I've had issues with a lot of my shapewear over the years where it'll be rolling up on the thigh area or it's rolling down underneath, like, you know, the bust area. So far, for the couple hours that I've been wearing it, I feel really good about it. I feel really good about it. I think I might have found my next favorite shapewear, y'all. What you think? It definitely has my vote. But if you guys enjoyed watching this video, make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. and I'll definitely reply to all your comments. Go hit me up on my social media. I am Shaniqua on Instagram and Shaniqua Dawson on Facebook. Comment to me, say hello, say what's up, let's have a conversation, and I'll definitely reach back out to you. I love you guys so much. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for always watching me, and I'll see you later.